Alright, we got this here, we got the train, we got the track going all the way down to there, and we're gonna make a short little clip of this running down the track. So, let's turn it on, and there we go. See how well it works out here. There we go. Let's get close, camera a little closer. It's getting a little stuck here and there. A little stuck here. There we go. Now it's rolling. See it rolling along the track. All the way up to the station we're going. Past the spooky Halloween decorations. And we just keep on going and going all the way down to the station. And we're done. Sweet. I like that.